Hello everyone, my name is Jaya Kumari. I am pursuing diploma degree from Satyam International Institute of Technology. Today I am grateful to share my experience about data analysis, which is provided by our college in collaboration with IBM Skillbuild and ICT Academy. I sincerely thank my college for providing us such a learning opportunity. Today, in this session, I learned about programming language such as Python and practical application of Python programming. This session is very helpful for us. I would like to thank Adarsh sir for giving us such an excellent teaching and guidance. His way of explaining every concept is very clear and easy to understand even for the beginners. Overall, in this session, I have boosted my confidence and learned many technical skills. Once again, I would like to thank Satyam International Institute of Technology, IBM Skillbuild, ICT Academy and others sir for giving us such a valuable session. Thank you.